August of 2020, Relentless Collision was officially born. The endeavor was to create a different collision center. The team understood that there was an opportunity in the market to really pursue what all of us had a tremendous desire to do, be certified by the manufacturer and give the consumer a choice to take their car to a shop that would sincerely work for them. And we started off with one location in Raleigh, then we moved to Cary, North Carolina, and then we finally opened our third store. So it was time for a change. Hey, are we gonna grow, stay small? And so then the decision was made, hey, I wanted to grow. There was only really one entity that even was a consideration, and that was Quality Collision Group. We found Quality Collision Group ourselves just by sheer paying attention to our industry. We had a chance to meet QCG, and they were as advertised. It was all about, hey, we want to follow the OEM repair procedures. We do want to use nothing but all OEM parts, and we want to be different than other collision operators in the space. Well, I believe that and know that to be true myself. I was open with the team on the possibility of us growing and taking on another partner, but not betraying our vision or walking away from our soul or like losing our North Star direction on where we were headed as a team. That was the wonderful thing that QCG not once discouraged us. My personal experience with my team when we joined QCG, we were operating more profitable because we got to work with some of the top echelon in the collision space, comparing notes. Now we're on the same team. We're looking at what they're doing, what they're getting compensated. Profitability was one of the key pieces that we discovered. The soul of the team was even more emboldened because the team got larger and there was more people on the team that thought just like we did. So we gained a lot of momentum there, we shared a lot of stories, and then we got to influence those guys as well to show those guys, hey, this is what we're doing down here. This is what we're seeing, and this is what we're seeing that's effective. Here's some negotiation tactics. Year over year, we are gonna separate ourselves from those that are focusing on, say, get the car in and get it out, versus repair the car properly, then all else will fall in line. For folks out there that may be considering you're in the collision space, you run a high-level operation, and you're wondering about, hey, what's my next step if you're looking at an exit strategy, or if you're looking at a strategy like me, where you want to grow in the industry. We're the guys that are going to augment you and say, hey, we're going to step right in line with you. We only do it one way. We know that you only do it one way. If there's anything we can do to assist you, better your business, let us know. We'd love to help. If your endeavor is to correctly repair the vehicle as per the manufacturer, hey, let's talk. You can jump on our team. We can certainly use that.